Angels sing, a new king's born today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. So tonight when I did the live, I wanted to do this poem because Christmas is now gone, right? So I wanted to do the poem because Louise Bennett did do a poem called 300 Christmas. And this was, it says that in the year 1955, it was the tercentenary of Jamaica's ties with Britain as a colony. Jamaica celebrated the association with festivities lasting over a period of 8 or so months, and the celebrations gave the impression of one long Christmas. So some little pian, which means ordinary, dark night was a go on like Christmas Day. The traveling bandwagon of entertainers set the stage for similar exercises by governments since. So Louise Bennett, just returning from England, compared the 1955 variety show. So here we go. It says, 300 Christmas. 300 Christmas there. It a buzz and it a hum. The real good bonify 300 Christmas come. Every day this year this year was Christmas. Every day was holiday. All some little pian dark night was a go on like Christmas Day. And so Jamaica people go for English immigration, so foreign dignity come pay 300 visitation. Everybody in a something, art and culture and Lego free, rally festival, cantata and school picnic jubilee. 300 boogie yaga fear, 300 barnyard spree, tercentenary bush bath and Walla Walla committee. Jeremiah and Zechariah depend out and out flirtation and call them love affair the 300 association. All kind of celebration full up every little space. Me glad 300 Christmas come and take him rightful place. Merry Christmas jump and holla, big smaddy and lipitney. For this is the 300 Christmas we going live for see. Celebration top of function, jubilation top of glee, and everything named 300 or tercentenary. Tercentenary. 300 bargain sale and tercentenary parade. Tercentenary John Kunu dance. 300 masquerade. Jenny Mota Massey data wa favor Bullfrogs Hotel. Take contest and win first prize for Miss 300 District Bell. Miss this, Miss that, Miss Taran 1, some ripe, some ton, some green, 300 beauty contest and 300 beauty queen. Could the store them how them dress up? Could it ban a crowd downtown? Could police with My Powerful stop direct traffic down a grung? Merry Christmas, everybody. Thankful that we life is spare. Have a grand 300 Christmas and a peaceful, calm New Year. So this is her poem, and the word is tercentenary. So that was for Louise Bennett, and I wanted to do it for us for Christmas, just to give tribute to my Louise Bennett. I love her work. I mean, patois is not an easy thing to read, but I love her work and I try. It's not my work. It's Louise Bennett, Dr. Louise Covely Bennett, and so I did my best. So I hope you enjoy it and enjoy your holidays. Christmas is gone, but you know what? That's what it is. Take care, everybody.